Hey guys, it's Brenda and welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a super easy and super cute idea for this Father's Day. With the white marker, draw Superman's logo and write Superdad on your t-shirt. With puffy paint, paint over your phrase Superdad. I'm using yellow puffy paint. So my phrase pops out from the t-shirt, but you can use any color that you already have at home. Here, you will need to use a yellow puffy paint so your logo looks just like the original. In the same way, fill the S and the diamond with the red puffy paint. Now, so your logo looks even better, outline it with black puffy paint. And my t-shirt got stained with black puffy paint, so I'm gonna make some polka dots all around. Let it dry for the entire day, and once it's dry, it'll look like this. This idea is super cool and super easy to make. It's perfect as a gift for your dad on his special day. But if you don't want to give it to him, you can also use it as a birthday gift for any event or just make it for yourself. Just remember to change the Superdad phrase. If you don't like Superman, you can also use another superhero like Spider-Man, Batman, or Captain America, or any other. I hope you like this idea. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching and see you this Saturday at 11 a.m. for another video. Bye guys!